Hello, let's learn some colors name. Orange color, green color, violet color, pink color, red color, lavender color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark blue color. Today I try to learn some alphabets. A for arrow. A for apple. B for bus. B for butterfly. C for candy. C for chocolate. D for doll. D for duck. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fox. F for flowers. Let's try to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, dark green color, red color, violet color, black color, orange color, purple color, light green color. Let's learn some fruits. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Red color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Light green color. Yellow color. Banana. Banana is yellow. Brown color. Red color. Apple. Apple is red. Brown color. Dark green color. Violet color. Grapes. Dark green color. Light green color. Red color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red. Light green color. Dark green color. Red color. Cherry. Cherry is red. Light green color. Brown color. Dark green color. Strawberry. Strawberry is red. Banana. Banana is yellow. Apple. Apple is red. Grapes. Grapes is violet color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Cherry. Cherry is red color. Strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.